In this video, I'll be going over decimals on the number line. There are two number lines below with 4 points, and what we want to know is the value of each point. For the first example here, we see that it's between 0.05 and 0.06, and there are exactly 10 equal parts between them. So to find out where this point lies, we need to first find out the value of each of these equal parts. Since there are 10 equal parts, that means that each one of them is 0.001. So that means that this point would be 0.05 plus 0.001, and that would mean it is 0.051. So if we want to find out the first orange point, we would then go 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4 spaces down, means that it would be 0.004 plus the 0.05, and that would give us 0.054. So therefore, we know the answer for the first point is 0.054. Now for the second point, the grid remains the same at 0.001, and let's see how many spaces from 0.06 is the second orange point. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that 7 means that this is 0.007 on top of 0.06. So we would then take 0.06 and add the 0.007, and that gives us 0.067. So that means that this point here is 0.067. Now for our second number line, we have an in tenth value. So we have 0.4, 0.5, and 0.6. And exactly the same, there's a total of 10 equal parts, and we want to know what each of them is. So between 0.4 and 0.5, that means that each of the equal part would be 0.01. So that's 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, and 0.06. So that means it's 0.06 from 0.4. So therefore, we need to take 0.4 and add 0.06. So we'll take 0.4 plus 0.06, and our answer is 0.46. And that would be this point here. Now for the second point, we have this as 0.01, so that's 1, 2, 3. So 0.03 from 0.5, so we'll add 0.5, add 0.03, and that becomes 0.53. And that's how we get the second point. So these are 4 examples of how you find the values of the decimals on the number line. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.